Hello guys, just wanted to do a video about an overall picture of how a product is actually created. In this case, this is an audio product. It's an XLR PATCHBAY routed to D-sub, which is in Tascam format. Now previously this product was manufactured by hard wiring the connectors to a D-sub, but what we've done here is we've actually created a PCB with PCB mounted XLR and jacks, PCB mounted connectors, and then the connectors are mounted on the PCB, and then the D-sub is actually mounted on a PCB as well. So it's a design for manufacturing product, so it makes it easier and quicker to produce this item. Now the scope of this video is not to show you individually how we use a CAD PCB, a PCB layout software. It's not the scope. It's to give you an overall picture how the whole thing is put together. Now we use Easy EDA, which a lot of people will be familiar with, but there are a lot of YouTube videos on how to use this software. It's quite easy. So to start with, what we would do is we would create the schematics of the wiring basically format. As you can see, we've got channel 1, 2 and 8, which is the 8 jacks, XLR connectors, and then this is wired to, as you can see there, the D-sub connector. So you basically have to wire each of these individually, the connection points to the right way. And once you've done that, then you can move on to the next stage, which is what we call the wiring routing stage. Once you've done that, the software will automatically create what we call a rat's nest. So you've got like all the connectors, semi-PCB stage, with all these rat's nests showing you the wiring, the tracks that needs to be put in. So you will go, if I zoom in there, each line, each of these rat's nests, you will put tracks in there, and you have to find the best way to route them until you get the right to that where you want to be. Once you've done all of that, by the way, there are what we call design rule checks, where you can actually test whether there are any shorts or open circuits. But once that's done, then basically you'll end up something like this, where you've got your PCB, all tracks laid out, dimensions of your overall PCB. So you're pretty much ready to go with it now. And again, you will do your design rule check again, just to make sure everything is in order. And then you can have a look at a two-dimensional picture of your PCB, and this is what the PCB will actually look like. Now that's the PCB side of things, and then basically we will go to the next stage of the video now to show you how everything's put together.